Hey, this is Josh here at Mass Gun Works. Just doing a couple things and wanted to take a minute and show you guys what we're into today. I have a Kessler shotgun. It's a bolt action, and the stock was busted out. We're doing some repairs to the stock, and I've got the action all broke down here in one of my containers I use to just keep parts together. This is a old bolt action. It's a 20 gauge. There's a stripped action. Actually, I just noticed something. It appears it's kind of neat. This shotgun, the barrel and the receiver are machined from one piece of barrel stock. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, go over here to the lathe. I am making a pillar. I'm going to pillar bed this action into the stock, hopefully to help prevent it from ever splitting out again. What I did over there, I took a 1/2-inch drill bit. I enlarged the action screw hole. This is 1/2-inch brass stock. Yeah, I'll shut this light off. It's a little easier for you guys to see. But I went in. I've got about 1 1/4 inch of stick out here. I drilled a 9/32 hole because my action screw is a 1/4 inch diameter. It gives me a little bit of room to play with there. And then I went down the body and I cut these grooves in, and that'll give my epoxy something to grab onto as I bed it in. So if I can do this, I'm going to reposition my camera. And we're back. So what I've done here is I've put my parting blade on. I have taken a ruler and I use this as an edge finder because it's got a nice sharp edge on it. So I've got it flat up against the face and I've planed across the face until the edge here of my parting blade is just slipping under the surface. So I know that this edge and this edge are lined up. So this is my zero plane, and as I advance back, and the camera here, I got a mag backed indicator, and I need to cut this thing at 930 thousandths. So take my mag back. We're going to run it in a little past 1 inch. Set our 0. I've got a DRO laying on my shop floor, and one of these days I'm going to get it put on. I know I am. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 930. All right. Now, one thing that I run into from time to time with this lathe and the tooling I use is a clearance issue. So hopefully we're not going to have any clearance issues. Cut this off. Now, a trick I learned, I've got you set on my tail stock here. Trick I learned is I can take tail stock. Apologize for the vibration in the camera there. But I can take the tail stock, put a drill bit in it, and I can use that to catch the object I'm parting off. You can also use a rod. I have different things I use from time to time, just depends on what's available. I got some little cups. I'll take the container the collet was in. It just depends. So we're going to run this in. Now you want to watch it, because if your parting blade touches that drill bit, you can break something. Okay. Here we go. Fingers crossed. And that's that. Okay. I wanted to get that little nib cut off. I always like to leave a nice square face on my stock. So I know I probably did a big no-no reaching out a chuck while it's running, but hey, this is what I like to call taking informed risk. I know my machine. I know where my hands can and cannot go, and my risk, my choice. Okay. So there's our pillar bushing. These are real simple to make. You can probably do them without a lathe if you got a drill press, and you can drill a pretty good centered up hole. You can make your own pillars for pillar bedding. You don't have to buy them. I got this brass stock off of eBay for $4, I think, for a stick of it. It's 1 foot stick, a 1/2 inch. I like working with brass. It's good metal for this kind of stuff. It's easy to work with. You can use aluminum. You can use steel if you really want to. You don't have to. You just need something that is going to give you a good solid metal to metal contact. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a go.